Who did this? What is that? Where are you going? When does it start? Why is English so confusing? So if question words or what words drive you crazy, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain every English question word simply with easy examples you can actually use and how is always included. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn the most important question words in English. Let's get started. Who? Asking about people. We use who when the answer is a person. Who is your best friend? Who teaches you English? Who lives with you? Who called you yesterday? Who do you watch on YouTube? If the answer is a person, we use who. What? Asking about things and information. What is used to ask about things, ideas, or information? What is your job? What are you watching right now? What does this word mean? What did you eat for breakfast? What do you do in your free time? What? Things or information. Where? Asking about places. Where is used for places and locations. Where do you live? Where's the bathroom? Where do you work? Where did you meet your friend? Where are you going after this video? We use where for physical places or online places. When? Asking about general time. We use when to ask about time, but usually in a general way, not exact times. When is your birthday? When do you start work? When do you usually wake up? When did you start learning English? When are you free this week? When? General time. What? For specific time. Now this is really important. If we want the exact time or date, we usually use what, not when. What time is the meeting? What time do you finish work? What day is your English class? What date is your exam? What time does this video end? So remember, when for general time, what time, what day, what date, exact time. Why? Asking for reasons. Why is used when we want a reason or an explanation. Why are you learning English? Why are you tired today? Why did you choose this job? Why is pronunciation difficult? Why do you like this channel? Let me know in the comments down below. Why answers often start with because. Why? Because. Which? Asking about choices. Which is used when there is a choice, this or that. Usually a small number. Which one do you want? This one or this one? Which country do you want to visit? Which is better, tea or coffee? Coffee's better. Which shirt should I wear? Which English app do you use? So when we have a choice, we use which. How? Asking about manner and condition. How is different. It's about the way something happens or someone's condition. How are you today? How do you learn new words? How did you get here? How often do you practice English? How much time do you study each day? Some common patterns. How long, how often, how much, and how many. Why how is included with question words. You might be thinking, wait a minute, how doesn't start with WH, so why is it always included with question words? That's a good question, and you're right to notice it. The simple reason. How is included because it does the same job as WH or question words. It asks for information. Even though it doesn't start with WH, it functions in exactly the same way in a sentence. So what makes how so special? What words usually ask about one thing? Who? person. Where, place. When, time. But how asks about the way, the condition, or the amount. That's why English uses how to create many different question types. How and extra words. This is key. How is like a base word. We add extra words to get more detailed questions so that we can get more detailed answers. How are you? Condition. How do you learn English? Method. How long does it take? Time. How often do you practice? Frequency. How much is this? Amount. No other question word does this as much as how does. Quick summary. Who? People. What? Things and information. Where? Places. When? General time. What time? What day? What date? Exact time. Why? Reasons. Which? Choices. How? Way or condition. Comment challenge. So, answer these questions in the comments down below. Who is your English teacher? When do you study English? What time do you usually wake up? And where do you live? I have a small amount of followers, but they seem to be from all around the world. So please, tell me where you live. I think it's really, really interesting. I'm British. I'm from Scotland, but I live in Bangkok, Thailand. But I would love to see where all of my viewers are. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, share it with someone who's learning English. If you would like to watch another video about English grammar, watch this video right here and I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you, yes, you specifically, in the next lesson. Thank you very much.